Well, what do we have here now? A long motherfucking bike ride home.
Why? It's not that long, Jesus.
Jacob, how you getting down south? I said we already there.
And she running around.
And I like this shit, no doubt. She be
Let me put my spectacles on, I can't see. Man. What do we have here? Oh, we got an empty glass. Goodness. Should have made a whiskey before this started. You know what I'm saying? But I'm feeling a little parched. Look. I'm feeling a little bit different than these MCs. Maybe because they got different needs. They all about greed, they all about selling CDs. I'm all about talking how I be and how it be to be me. Difference is you little kids is feeling belligerent cause these little rappers ain't getting it, they flipping it. Everybody racking like they know, talking about the racks and blow, talking about selling this and that and Optimos. Twisted back to the days when I was talking about my ways with my mama and all the fucking drama. Now she gone, she passed away the other day. Now I'm feeling like Tom Hanks, a castaway. Only thing I'm talking to is a beach ball, so it deflates and then we all fall. Smelling like I was this big, now I'm feeling this tall. And my camera ain't moving, so you ain't seeing it at all. And if I'm punching you, I'm punching in jaws. And it's like that shark, cause I'm grabbing it all. And if you feeling how I'm feeling, then you feeling it all. And if your girl looking good, then I'm feeling a job. Cause Stag House is that motherfucker, make them back out. Get up in the doom and in the crack house, pop things and bag out every piece of work till he got the money and bag out. Like Baghdad. Fuck it, your motherfuckers ain't that bad. And you wanna be on the top of the charts, you couldn't even understand how it's top of the heart. And hip-hop is something, yeah, it's topic of art. Hey, to me, it's just a topic of art. And I've been doing it for years, so my topic's smart. That means political ain't shit to me. Getting me? I don't care about Romney or Obama or the drama in the White House. Political, congressional, either way they voting. If they just stroking, I know either way it's gonna be part of their potion. That means it doesn't matter what they voting. They'll be making it better for them and worse for us. That's just this world, they wanna keep us in cuffs. I'm feeling like I'm feeling, if you feeling it's rough. Yeah, hey, I'm tired of being like me. Fuck it, I'm tired of feeling like Magic has HIV. That's a lie though. I'm tired of breaking down.